In a realm where belief reshapes destiny, Benjamin Franklin grips history in his hands on the Congress floor, addressing a roiling nation. As ink-stained fingers align the first pages, Franklin crafts narratives echoing with the promise of freedom. Under nocturnal watch, his key and kite pull lightning from the heavens, illuminating pathways previously shadowed. Even beyond borders, fine negotiations morph into mellifluous harmonies, captivating potentates with promises and melodies alike. On verdant lawns, futures flourish as his speeches plant seeds of enlightenment amidst tomorrow's leaders. Steadfast amongst eternal city halls, his likeness endures, a monument to tenacity amidst leaves of time.